Go.
Hi! Okay, so today you're going to have your final speaking test. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. What's your name?
My name is Felix.
Okay, how are you?
I'm good. And you?
Oh, I'm also good. Okay, how old are you?
I'm 7.
7. Okay, where are you? Okay, 7 years old. Okay, where are you from?
I'm from Vietnam.
Oh, how many people are there in your family?
There are 6 people.
Okay.
There.
Okay, who are they?
Mom, Dad, sister, Mom, Dad, Grandma, Grandpa, brother, and me.
Okay, what is your dad's name?
My dad and me.
Okay, what is your mom's name?
Mom,
Okay, what has she and what has he got? Let's start.
She's got long hair. She's got straight hair. He's got long hair. He's got curly hair.
Okay, fill in the blanks. We have here number 1. He's got blonde hair. Number 2.
He's got straight hair.
Okay, number 3.
He hasn't got blue eyes.
Number 4.
He hasn't got curly hair.
Okay, very good. What shape is this?
This is a diamond.
What shape is this?
This is square.
What shape is this?
This is a star.
What shape is this?
This is a triangle.
What shape is this?
This is a hat.
Okay, very good. Okay, what animal do you like and why?
I like tiger. They are strong and fast.
Wow, they're strong. Okay. Read the 4 lines of the poem. Okay, let's start. Okay, very good. Okay, what foods do you like? Oh, juice. Okay, choose one on. Okay, we have number 1, triangle, circle, rice, and diamond. And rice is the odd one. Okay, how about number 2? Rectangle. Okay, number 3, parrot. Okay, number 4, yogurt. Okay, correct. Okay, what's this? What's this? What's this? What's this? Okay. Read the story.
There are books under the bed. Sorry, I can't hide it up. Look, Grandma, my room is tidy now. Good girl, Rosie, well done. Now the bed is tidy. Now it's the grandma look in the kitchen. See the man are really.
Wow, very good. Okay. How many books are there?
There are 5 books.
Okay, how many beds are there?
There is one bed.
Okay, 1 bed. Okay. How many pillows are there?
There are 4 pillows.
Okay, there are 4 pillows. Very good. Okay, what number is this?
Number 15.
What number is this?
Number 15.
What number is this?
Number 20.
What number is this?
Number 11.
What number is this?
Number 18.
What number is this?
Number 14.
Okay, very good. Okay, what can he, what can she do? Okay?
He can run. He can cook.
Okay, very good. Okay, read these words. Okay, what's this? Sun cream. Shell. Sandcastle. Bucket. Crab. Okay, very good. Okay, match and read. We have number 1. Let's make a sand castle. Number 2. Okay, number 3. Okay, number 4. Okay, good. Okay.